То захват экрана был бады. Кәллә уттан, наконец-то. Бля, War Thunder dedim. Tabi. War Thunder Болбат. GTA 5. GTA. Thunder да. Пока GTA хубам прикадем. والله تنبات والله والله что потом 50. Сто. 200. Что стоит? Тревор.
Speak.
You know I don't like using these things. They're listening.
Then
Айде нахуй, короче.
miss me. For fuck's sakes. Listen to some fine messages from
О, здорово, самурай. Реально, что ли?
Trevor, you're still banned.
What about these two?
Whoever wins gets banned.
He's one. Ban him.
Ban him. He's my goddamn husband.
He's young enough to be your son.
Ain't the internet a beautiful thing, honey?
Anyway, I saved your husband. Give me a drink. I got a meeting.
Okay, but any more bodies turn up in my bar, I swear, I will not serve.
Mr. Phillips. is... Yes, Mr. Chang. Pleasure to meet you.
No, I am Mr. Chang's humble translator. Mr. Chang now.
我操他妈的，真是软翻了！ You speak Spanish, speak it to each other.
Mr. Tao Chung is pleased to meet your acquaintance.
Oh, yeah, he seems it.
我说，人事，你真是太好了。
Paijat aklım canlar. Hassim Travi günleri bölümünden Mitä bölümünden
Can't get here quick enough. The Aztecas are coming. They think you took out Ortega.
They ain't mistaken.
Well, get down here and take them out too.
Sure your boss don't want this crank for his own personal consumption?
No, Mr. Cheng Sr. is very specific. He wants a good, reliable source of methamphetamine. We will buy from you here and distribute using established networks.
I'm worried that might dilute what our operation's all about.
Shit, Trevor. We ain't got long.
Whoa, manners, Shaft. These are our...
Ortega has always been cool enough before.
О, перестрелки наконец-то.
I'm entertaining clients! This ain't done until they're all gone!
Shit, man, they're through the fence. We better get on this.
Vamos por vida!
Over here. Your cut's about to get it, team. Oh, bomb.
Kaç yön? Ha.
I need some help right now, team. They got me, man.
They gotta have the whole crew here! Where's the rest of them, eh?
Trevor, man, they got me. They got behind us. The back of the building. Trevor, man, get behind something.
Move, motherfuckers!
Get the fuck back! Everybody get back!
Take the big guy.
Нихуя оружием.
Come on, you Azteca scumbag!
Family.
Out, you cocksuckers!
You should have been more persuasive when you told him to go. I think they're coming through the shop. Let's get to the front.
Yeah, Shaft.
We gotta get downstairs.
Понял.
Come on. Get behind here. They're coming in.
Блять, и патрон хошты топпаты.
Look at them. They're broken. Tang is dead, and so's your crew.
Get back inside and clean up the lab!
Hayır идиот.
We gotta let our potential
Тоже способны стать шулики.
partners out of the ice chest.
Идите к ящику со льдом.
Alright, time to recommence the tour, gentlemen.
О, выбора.
think we have seen quite enough.
Ебать. Красивый големный джевер.
What's going on, Ron?
They were here for you. Here for you.
Who was here?
Them bikers. After you killed Johnny K.
And they damage my stuff, huh? They smash up my home.
Gotta make a stop at Ammunition. You're meeting me at the Lost MC's airfield.
Ура! Оружие ладно. Bilmem. Trollroll.
I'll come in your ear when I get a hold of you.
What are you buying at the gun shop?
I'm not buying anything. I need a sniper rifle with a high-power scope.
Снайперка отлагом была. Что-то я такое помню.
Feel about brand synergy, huh? Teeth. That sniper on your wall looks like
Снайперка.
They'll do nice.
Глушитель аммиака.
Quiet as a mouse.
Кастинг-шлапен сюсал. Нихуя себе байбаны. Так, расцветка. Бля, контра нахуй. Так. Улучшенный прицел. Патронов мало не бывает, нахуй. Ага. Васидика бем радиом прорачиванде. Тачлармен эраларын тоқта. Татуулар инде. Бизнес магазин возьмите улучшенный прицел для снайперской винтовки. Улым болықта. Снайперская.
Now, stop selling weapons to
всё.
that half-wit Cletus.
Васидика хатроллар это Сандрес, не помню.
Run! Run, I got the gun. Meet me at the water tower just north of the airfield.
Roger that, Trevor. But you gotta look out. Cause those bikers all
Ах ты, сука, ёбаный в рот. Пидорас.
Of course there are! Two planes are touching down at the field on a weapons run. We're gonna wait till the right time and appropriate them.
we are.
Yes, we are.
Did I get it wrong? I'm waiting at the water tower.
Да блядь. Че охуели нахуй его?
Where are you, man? I'm waiting at the water tower. Waiting at the water tower, boss. I'm up the tower, Trevor.
We gotta wait till you can slip in there unnoticed. Should give you the time to plan a route to the gas tank you're rigging up to blow.
Really?
Я улыбаюсь. Это же GTA, братан. GTA, братва. Подбурлок GTA, бан.
Go on, my son. Whenever you get a doubt in your mind, I want you to remember that I'm watching you through the scope of a high-powered rifle.
Right, Trevor. Right. Got it.
Now, relax. The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Here, by the road.
Я Хитман. Работаю в темноте. Все. Я у дороги.
You wouldn't believe this, Ron.
Вижу,
These
вижу.
assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot!
Что я не стреляю. Бля, тут хараган, тоқтар да. Угу. Бля. Види. Пожалуйста, настрой свой экран. Вы должны разделять все сегменты полосы под логотипом Rockstar. Да. Во!
Well, get a move on.
I'm moving! Just keep me covered, okay? Hold up! There's a guard standing under the control Good kill, Trevor!
Let's pick up the pace, Ron.
Shit! I hear an engine! They're gonna see that guy you shot!
You can relax because lights are out already.
Good! Well, don't shoot the guy in the van until he stops and gets out, okay? They're on to us! The alarm's been raised!
Бля! Эндек охтой хана ватан педра. Ну педрас эндек охтун шт. Бежик педрас эти. Жолу.
The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Trevor? You see me?
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me! That's me! Don't shoot!
Saw a guy by the tower. Shot him. Now keep moving. Come on. Keep it moving.
Нихуя, Xbox-то.
You hear that? I can hear an engine! You'll see that body!
I already shot the lights, so you can calm down.
Now, don't smoke the guy in the van until he stops and gets out!
How you doing, Ron?
Hold fire! We gotta see what he's up to! I think he's just calling the dead guy. You can erase him now! He's out! You can put him down!
Hit the man?
You should have seen the look on his face! A guy came out of the control tower. Get him quick! You gonna take him?
So long, sailor.
Бля, нахиль лед.
Bottom of the tower. Another guy's on his way. He's down there, amongst the bodies. Clean shot, Trev. Another guy's coming out of the tower. Must be looking for the one you shot. He's seen it. Smoke him, or he'll get the others.
Down he goes.
Get your sights back on me, Trev. I'm scared. Come on, man. Cover me.
I got you in my sights, so get a move on and plant that bomb on the gas tank.
I'm on it. But there's a guy coming out of that building.
Joo, strategioissa hylätty. Tuon joutun piti heppi strategiaa, Warcraft.
He knows I'm here. A bolt from the blue. Can you hear that? Chopper incoming.
Always hated that chopper.
Взлеты полоса захватывает ему торба. Бля, пиздец, он калим будто, ёпарса, тур, бля.
Plane's in that hangar, man. I'll get the engine running. Or we can clear the runway. I don't see none of the guys who came to your trailer here.
One dead biker is as good to me as another. Hey, where were we?
I think I saw a man void his bowels.
Happens to the best of us. Now, start that plane.
Plane's loaded up with crates, Trevor! Just like you said!
Rest of the guns must be on the plane down the end of the runway. Let's go, Ronald!
Нихуя способность снайпом будто, бля.
Get me to that plane! Get me to my plane, Ron! Let's see what those explosives can do!
Blowing that bomb would probably help us out some.
На нахуй.
Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Ronald! Get me to that plane! Get me to my plane, Ron! Yeah! Just one for you, perfect jump, Frank!
Ой, самолет там, да хата ходила.
The guy who's taking precedence
Скорость удержит, чтобы взлететь.
just off the coast.
Бегает там.
I am aware of this.
Шасси по-любому джило, так. А так.
While the man on my wing presents no immediate
А,
danger,
35.
I'll do my best to oblige you.
That guy is clinging on. So, who might this buyer be?
Бля, вот там баску двигает.
Kind of hardware is gonna go.
And they are?
Up north to our Canadian cousins, where the lost were likely to be sending them. Or our other neighbors, those in the south, our Mexican brethren.
I'd assume you got all kinds
Бля, ну да, баску был пробил, нахуй. Бля, он вартана говорит, на.
Why is it obvious?
Ай, долбоёб, бля. Еще повторить.
There he goes.
One, I feel safe. I told my contact to meet us just off the coast.
So, who might this buyer be?
There's only two places this kind of hardware is gonna go.
And they are?
Up north to our Canadian cousins, where the lost were likely to be sending them. Or our other neighbors, those in the south are necking you, brethren.
I assume you got all kinds of connections in Canada.
Why would you make an assumption like that?
It's obvious.
Why is it obvious? Spell it out for me before I order you to fly that plane into a mountain.
Because of where you used to operate. Weren't you pulling scores in North Yankton and running cars?
ولا خد غدا السكر لا مين الجنرال بلا نركون управление сука
There's a flare in the water. I'm guessing it's them.
That's him. Let's do it.
Military base coming up. Fly low. We don't want to show on their radar.
Shipment successfully delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass in a rapian cheesecloth.
You wouldn't really do that to me, would you?
Beat me and you'll see.
здорово нежно
Air Force pilot like you. I can just about get where I'm going, but I don't got much choice over whether it's fast or slow.
And get better at it, or fly through a barn.
Would a barn slow me down?
Yeah, it might do. Or it might kill you instead.
I'm just gonna fly normal, and I'll rely on you getting there quicker.
You're braver than I thought.
Keep low, over the swamp, boss. So the guns are going to Mexico?
Mexico. Yeah, guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in
GTA 4 да
If there's a market, this could be
того GTA 4 GTA 4 хоогом яка
that. We
Он
might be
пират
able to
ковра
go to Oscar's
оняпым
thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
I'm sorry to ask this, but does your contact pay well for this kind of shipment? Because I've got those lawyer fees for the divorce.
Бу GTA 5 хадах була
Oh,
Тугон не буду депендент
any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear, man.
We'll talk about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?
All right, T.
бу билик кыскын быттади Пастады чакы хотто хот болар ки Кимере юм валлахи эдем бухалавта Кимере пете кыхавын дут кимере еретинде
You see, Trevor, you won. You're the better man, as if there was any.
Ок, ради Сукуларды кабыт эдебиле Академик раконокону булдум
I think that was adequate restitution for my impotent rage statue.
That was a mighty fine statue, Trev.
That was a mighty fine piece of plastic shit. But there's no price for emotional attachment. I mean, you might
Шивоттара кадакавлы бос пажында хандыра бля хоть бар алраллар Самолет италлах кайыллар бля Пиздец тюль
don't have time to dwell on that now. Because we got more runs, Ron. If there is one thing that they need south of that big fence, it is guns.
Чайка хапула Теперь вы можете приобретать разобрать имущество Сан-Андреас А, да? Ммм. Berada. Kaççuğuna şey bu mutta. Angara atlahan bir yakara. Ola. Kaçın bitti. Вот острый лакун. Зато у меня есть свой аэропорт. Это. Бото качественно ойнууру көрөк кара. Так. Содавадан баран бедini камбылырды болукта. Вот, донат. Кыжы донатты итнер хасын түрәбі күдемеді ол аддыргыдамын. У меня же завтра днюха. А? Самурай, умнуат не. Ох, тоқтоғыш. Бәхе олық. Ота бүгін төшіне продукты атлаған қаян. Қатчыға дәуді байды. Қата банк заработал.
Doesn't know about this?
А я, бля. Он медклауд-то была под-то.
Pickup successful.
Маши баня. Хата баны еще до коня там было. Сразу GTA онлайн на него халаут мне. Ой, это GTA 5 вообще не помню когда. Да, некоторые задания миссии помню, но то, что можно приобретать разные гаражи, дома, я это не знал. Не, GTA Vice City, ну бар, да. Малибу клуб, не помнишь, да, Коля? Пять тысяч. 5, сука, тысяч. Идите нахуй. Где моя тачка? Все, лысый мой так на тачку идет. $1 долларов. Ayşe бар. Так söylüyorum. Мен крашпи кетті. Пизда ему. Қандай хитті бағайым мен? Полиция едет кодага нахуй. Будра. Давай. Утоплюсь нахуй. Бармен там, бля. Так. Фух. А-то. Здорово, ребята, я тут. Так, С. Братья, мен опять толк вопросительный знак травалар. Не знаю, тоғраз занялар. Но қанды толы бұдан. Олень! Олень, сука! Это же гелик. А ладно. Дракор,
There you are. Hello.
Ma.
How have you been?
Oh, simply one. And you?
About the same. Somewhere stuck between joyful and peachy. Even in this world full of scum and detritus, it's only right that we all bear our share.
Ain't that?
Take this poor wretch on the run, desperate, alone, about to learn the true meaning of suffering, all for a few $1,000. Thinking you got
Понятно, я киллер. Киллер девикадлы Коля. Киллер аудитория кола. Последний сессия террора даст будет все забрать его можно за большой плат. А мне похуй эта машина. Киллер, блядь, кинь ататы, киллер. Хитман, бля. Не видишь ли машины, дебил, бля? Жестко ПДД на нюнда. Эндинг, да? А так, честно, я Хитман не играл. Вообще ни разу не в жизни. Вот, я даже представлять не могу, отдал. А я, блядь, тух парень, да? Это... Бля, фару разбил, нахуй. Новая же была. Да, маленький бэпи, что ли? Простите, простите.
You sure as shit are one dumb, ignorant, white trash.
This music's all fucking wrong. That's what I'm looking for.
Тревер музыкаға жестко влияет деп бітті.
Trevor Phillips.
Elwood O'Neill. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Trevor, it's business.
That wide-eyed idiot was mine.
It's business, Bella. You want to discuss it? We're at the farm. Ernie, Earl, Walton, Wynn, Dale, Doyle, Darrell, Dan, all of us.
Start writing those names on tombstones, because I'm on the way to your lab, and we're gonna see how much of a family meth business you got when I'm done! They're dead, all of them, inbred hillbilly twats.
Found places that don't have tickets that are marked up 100% for processing fees.
О, ща буде міца.
Brothers, you got you inbred freaks. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'll kill the lot of you, and I'll torch your cookhouse. It's over! How about a murder, you prick? Here I come, you pricks! Don't look like a larger operation to me. You wanna see competition in the marketplace?
Красиво, да?
You assholes! Take over time! Fucking O'Neill's!
О, аптечка.
Keep him out of the lab! Get your own fucking business! No, get that motherfucker out the house! Oh, it's O'Neill! Boy hurt! You fucking weirdo! Get going! Let's see if we can. Cut down the size. You get out this property! It's over! Head for the base! Back, you motherfucker! How about a merger, you prick? You'd our house now. Come on!
Tamam bari подпольный казино. Ulan bana kirerler dayı.
Oh, shit! He's down here! Well, look at this! You asked for this, assholes! Come on! Arrgh!
Сейчас сделаем так, как будто газовый баллон. Бля. И пошла жара.
you disrespectful pricks!
Да, что это никогда бы карьеры говорят. Все. В смысле чит-код? Чит-код подбаниваю. Нахуй чит для слабаков. Для слабаков. Абха. Помнишь? Помнишь? Сейчас я тебе кое-что покажу. Бля, как это за хадр это чит тягнама да галимутовля. Так, сохранить изображение. Так, загрузки сохранять, да? В смысле не тут? Ошибочка. А чем он сохраняет их? Сохранить изображение. Ага, сохранил. Так, смотри, Коля. Ари. Бля, доктор. Надо накачано. Открыть с помощью. Надо фотографию. Идем до хухту. Кар удивись. Та звук складно. Богдан. Помнишь такое? Бля. Конечно, помнишь. Я в школе бизнесом занимался же. Чимакс был только у меня. Я продавал чит-коды парням. Распечатал и продавал. Ну, за копейки, за 2 рубля. Блядская собака, ёбаный в рот. Everybody, надо скачать Чимакса. А так GTA 5 зачем коды? Без кодов заебись в итоге. Мен вообще GTA кодтар тоқыран яудым мен. Vice City атақ San Andreas. San Andreas'ке мен яудым кодтар.
We should go to the
Bastan. Bir dakika da.
Ah, life is good, you know. I'm trying to help people, help the community, just doing the right thing, you know.
I hear that, ooh.
That's the best you got?
You know, I thought this town would have more weird people.
Whatever.
How's everything?
А, дабл говорю, так мне.
Full of chest pains.
The
Ah,
little
сука.
things, right? Like darts.
Нихуя братки. Так, та дабл була на.
This up and Attenberger's coming back up on me.
You and I.
Ah, сука.
Man, I swear I got a special gift. Yeah, you can throw darts. Big
Yeah.
whoop.
Это.
Bust.
Damn, you lost. I knew you would.
Revans totta be. Bastaanko ruvetaan kun?
Look at me.
Koshi süt balakay diyet ma.
I'm not kidding. I got a gift for this.
I am good. You are shit.
You better not be cheated.
Koshi manı kılav. Hop bunu.
Bust.
Короче, иди нахуй.
Thanks.
Хаддара дастаакы. А мен жонто кәлбидім манда жигінен. О, да съебался, сука, бля, хули маныл рон. Хули сюрана манда, бля. Заебали нахуй. Ким быстрый до сюги? Нормально же бухали. Стоп. Способность, выносливость, стрельба, сила, пилот. А, я пилот. Бля, ну хатан капитан не мара. Вождение голяк. А то был стрельба душугой, скрытная чуй. Бо спецспособность на вождение. А бас. Да, конечно, вождение джавт, такой был. Вождение это хохтан, бля. Сюхи нахуй. Вот и кот не любит.
Get back here. You're not even hidden. You got it? I've been trying, Trevor. I've been trying. Come on over here, all right? I ain't gonna hit you. I've been trying. I know.
So we're headed to Los Santos then?
Soon. I gotta make a stop.
Поехали, Лос-Сантос.
Ice cream? We need some wheels. Road trip? We taking this one?
Get in. Where are your people at in Los Santos?
It's just my cousin there, Floyd. He's bunked in with his girlfriend someplace called Vespucci Beach. So, what's your stop?
Family's important, Wade. Not as important as the man that employed you, mentored you, and fed you amphetamines this last year, but it's important. We gotta pay this cousin a visit.
I ain't seen him in a while, Trevor.
All the more reason to drop by.
Okay, that might be nice, but where are we stopping on the way? Cause, you know, I'm getting kind of wet over here.
For fuck's sakes. Another chapter of the lost have descended on this fine town. Looking to mourn, maybe
Babush.
revenge their dead. I was thinking me and you could pay our respects.
Trevor, I don't think we'd be welcome there. I mean, what do you want to, well, send them on their way to begin with?
Grief has a beautiful way of bringing folk together, Wade. Camp's up here. I'll wait till dark before I drop in again.
Самурай, давай, насчет Гарри Поттера. Спроси-ка вопрос, я тут ничего не вижу. Ну что, тесно, а у Нилрон.
I got you them bombs and that pistol with the thing that makes it quiet on it.
Yeah, I took them. Those are my gifts for these pricks. There you go. Brothers, I am on the road.
Сейчас будет красивое шоу. Да, налью-ка для себя сначала. Бум!
You're worse than the last bunch of cops. This season, the lost aren't welcome here. Pussies, every one of you.
А то есть я колоба была. Самурай. Как видишь, я сижу играю, а? Он много вопросов возникает. Спроси-ка насчет Гарри Поттера. Что-нибудь. Как видишь, я управляю машиной. И вот руками тоже пользуюсь. Вот телефонника. Я говорю, все будет честно. Давай спрашивай. По книге даганы, он по фильме даганы. Но он мандык, с которой вопросы хрень его знает. О, бля, доктор. Доктор, нихуй доктор. Да. От кого прятались первый раз под мантией невидимка Хоксмиди? Хоксмит. Доктор Хоксмит. Они вообще первый раз когда они туда пошли? Во время... Не доктор. Короче, первый раз это было в библиотеке Хогвартс. Там насчет Хоксмида. Это был от преподавателей, от профессоров, от профессоров, вот так это, да. Первый раз, когда они прятались. Что-то я такое помню. Бля. Теперь серьезно, сколько запятый в Гарри Поттере? Я видел YouTube как потом. А сколько точек? Инди, а не ну как? Бля, откуда я знаю, сколько там запятых? Бля, я придет задержка кадрить, оказывается. Абхан сорян, а я реально пиздец задержка лахать. Вот он, да, аска пиздец тупика на это улетен задержка лахать беспредел. Зато я карбака хая оказалось кичи докостел работа. Три, четыре, пять. Вау. Мадагар коркола бодакки. Здесь галактиван колор. Так, если я скажу слово точка, ты потом скажешь запятой. Ох, клавиатура точка турара. Мен точка так подхатта. Билемне. Раз, два, три. Точка. Надо считать, сколько секунд.
Where else would it's Vespucci Beach where he's staying. Will you tell me the story about that boy, Trisha? Ah, yeah. Where were we? You were saying what he could do. He couldn't throw, and his coach had a stick accident like I had one. Right.
Ой, ебать, задержка я потыкаю. О, секунд 20. Ого, 10 было. Ну, 10, 15, 20. О, куду.
Just as he hit rock bottom, he met a fat, silver-tongued troll under a bridge. That's cool. What was the troll's name? Michelle. A lady troll? Yeah, tits like one, but no, well, he was a boy. Michelle is a funny name for a boy. Trevor is a funny name for a boy. Well, this was a funny boy. He sat under his bridge, robbing anyone who passed him by. Sometimes he'd go into town and rob the shops and inns and such. And he persuaded our hero that maybe he should rob people too. And you know what? Little Trisha did rob people. And little
Masanın yoğun bir de basmasında yaptı oğlum.
Oh, we're near Floodcap. I seen it on iFind maps. I'll give you direction. It's straight here. Whoa, Trevor. Woo-hoo! Again!
That damn anti-spirit. Into an oven all covered in headlight. This big Gucci, you ain't got a gas me. I'm a pretty kid.
Keep it straight now. This is the place. I think it is, at least.
Like dominoes, I deliver pies. And I deliver fries. Them hollows and extended clips. And I deliver fives.
Cousin Soy! Come up here, Trevor! Roy, it's me, Wade! Who? Me, Wade, your cousin! Who?
Your cousin! Mark! He's come to visit you, you rude fuck. Now get up off the floor and fix me a fucking drink.
Oh, you wait. I heard you was off smoking meth somewhere.
No.
Понял. Серый. Барыхара Майклга. Абки вардум, бля. Хочу кататься.
Motherfucker clean. Lester, what's up?
The jewels have been fenced, and Michael's angry Mexican friend has been compensated for the house, so I'm transferring your cut of the jewel store job. Good work.
All right, cool, man. Good working with you.
Уху, нихуя я богат. Так, смотри, на теперь. Что там, кто там пишет? Самурай отошел где-то. Нет, броня не надо. Тормоза. Спортивный поставим. Двигатель улучшенный поставим. Глушитель. Обтекатель. Аяғым рауаққа. Отмена. Бензобак. Монтировка. Клаксон. Нахуй надо, бля. Фара. Что мы поставим? Окраска. Да нет, металлик. О, бля, нихуя заебись полот. Кофройн тут. Бәдік едіші. Кожного аяқта хуйня. Отмена. Трансмиссия. Нихуя, даже звука записал, ладно. Сука, ми тут джинден ровно, бля. Сейба.
Go! Get us right up alongside that limo! Come on! You ruined his life! Now make my bed. You don't believe it! She's slamming a speedball in there, man! This is journalistic gold! Hey, here! You bitch! Open it up, you cow! Man, they don't call her the silicone slattern for nothing. She looks like a bloodhound in a wind tunnel. God, I love her.
Oh, man, no wonder this whole town's in therapy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Abbas. Повтор, конечно.
Go! Get us right up alongside that limo! I don't believe it! She's slamming a speedball in there, man! This is journalistic gold! Slattern for nothing. She looks like a bloodhound in a wind tunnel. God, I love her.
Oh, man, no wonder this whole town's in therapy.
Well, well done on the rehab. Not.
Double it.
Oh my God! If she gets away, I will lose my. Go, go! Get us right up alongside that limo. Oh, you're human. You fit. There's nothing special about you. You don't believe it? She's slamming a speedball in there, man. This is journalistic gold. Okay, let's go again. We need the money shot. You know you want it, cowhead. It's in the public interest, you homewrecker. Man, they don't call her the silicone slattern for nothing. She looks like a bloodhound in a wind tunnel. God, I love her.
Oh, man, no wonder this whole town's in therapy.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, give me more. Homewrecker! Harlot!
We done yet?
No, she still looks too good. I want the prisoner of war shot. That's where the big zeros are. I love her. I hate her. You got it. It's a war. Fans have a right to know everything. Oh yes, we got side boob. We're historians, crusaders of truth, my friend. Man, fuck you, Beverly. This one's mine. Oh no! Oh shit! It's the cops. Get rid of them. Come on, lose them already. You gotta get rid of them. I'm in breach of my restraining order. So I should probably tell you this is not 100% legal. Go! I am not going down for this. There's a small parking lot by the Cafe Redemption Courtyard in Morningwood. Drop me there. You can keep the bike because I look after my people.
Look after your people? Man, I know when a ride is hot. If this is your bike, then I'm the fucking Pope, dog.
Okay. Don't ruin the vibe. I think I got a decent shot of Miranda back there.
Ayun ang karap ba rin game?
For the photo, 50-50, right?
Yeah, well, I kind of thought the bike would cover your share. I mean, I did do all the work.
Man, I probably shouldn't talk, dog, but this is one fucked up line of work your ass in.
It's about staying true to yourself. If we get caught, I'm saying you kidnapped me. Hit the gas, man. They're still on us. Come on, lose them already. You gotta get rid of them. I'm in breach of my restraining order. So I should probably tell you this is not 100% legal. Go! I am not going down for this. If we don't get there soon.
А бачите, Вероніка бля.
All right, homie. It's been an education, dog. Look, keep on making the world a better place. You hear me?
No. Fans deserve answers.
Shit, not if the question is how low is Miranda Collins' muff hanging or if she's getting banged out by some second-rate director.
They need to know everything. Crow's feet, the camel pose. Hey. By the manor next week. Continue the search for the truth.
Look, don't wait around for me, homie.
Oh, I'm waiting for you, homie.
В смысле, я вообще не зарабатываю, что будет такое? Бля, Франклин.
That's right, Bob. One more day and I'm a retired man. Born in Tennessee. Want it, Help! Somebody, I'm trapped! Enough gas! Get me out of here! Use that bulldozer to move the pipes! And hurry, please! Just need some gas in here! Oh, God, I'm not gonna make it! Hurry up! We don't have long! Hurry, please! I smell burning! Get back! She's gonna go! Run! It's gonna blow! Thank you so much! I thought I was done for there!
Алло. Так, я отключаюсь. Так, короче, ребят, я включаю стрим. Попозже подключимся к игре War Thunder.